Good morning, students. Welcome all of you for the academic section 2021. I am Geeta, your maths teacher. I am looking forward to working with you and helping you succeed in my subject maths. Go through the videos and pictures which will be posted in your class group and try to practice it on daily basis. Practice makes a man perfect. So, do daily practice and together we can make a difference. So, thank you and go through the videos daily. Okay, thank you. Good morning, students. I am Geeta, your maths teacher. Today, I will be telling you how to maintain your maths notebook with index, with your student profile, etc. So, the first thing is that as soon as you take out your maths notebook, it has to be covered. How to cover it? You have to cover it with transparent sheet and write your name with black or blue marker, or else cover it with brown sheet and label it with name written neatly. Okay, so covering is done. Now next is the front page. Front page has got your details, that is student profile, your name, class, section, your bus route number, subject name, then if any siblings is studying in the same school, then their class, their class name, then parent signature, that is both father and mother's name and signature should be written. So the front page has to be filled up without any cutting. Understood? So the front page is over. Now we'll go for the next sheets, that is index. Index sheets, there will be 2-3 sheets for index. I am giving you one sample here, that is index. You will be having certain columns for the index. Here it is serial number, date, then title, page number, and of course teacher's sign or remark. So this is a sample one I am giving you, presenting in front of you, that is serial number 1 and date. The first day of your school is 1/4/2020 and title. Here I am again stressing the point here title. Why? Because many of here I am showing chapter 1, and what is chapter 1? Rational numbers for class 8th. Now many of the students are not listening properly in the class and they continue writing only the chapter number, that is chapter 1, 2, 3, 15, etc., and they are not writing chapter name. So I want all my students to follow the same rule, that is in the title column you will be writing both the chapter number and the chapter name. Now next is page number. So don't forget to write the page number, that is page number 1 and a hyphen, because once you complete the whole chapter then only you will be writing here the final page number. Suppose 25th page, that chapter is over, then you will write here 25 after the hyphen and leave the space for teacher's signature. Now here after the chapter 1 entry is over, you leave 10 lines and then the serial number 2, date, and chapter 2 name, etc. Why I am asking you to leave here the 10 lines is that you will have all the exercises done or any 1 or 2 activities or else any class test paper or anything like that, that has to be entered here properly, neatly, leaving 1 lines. So index, there are 2-3 pages for the index. So do it very neatly, and each book, your notebook, can accommodate only 3-4 chapters of maths. So you have got enough space, so leave 10 lines, then continue with the chapter 2. Don't scribble everything here and chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and leave rest of the 2-3 pages for the index empty. Okay, so utilize it properly. Now thank you for listening, and next is that you will go for how to enter the first chapter. That means you will draw double lines with pencil, use scale and pencil. I am stressing scale and pencil because many of them are drawing with pen or else not utilizing the scale and just drawing it. So be neat and clean. Your notebook should be very neat, that is presentable, appreciable it is. Okay, so chapter 1, then write rational numbers. In the left hand corner it is 1/4/2020, that is first day in April, and it is of course Wednesday. So you will write here, and in the right hand corner you will write here class work. If homework is given, you will mention homework, and of course that's page number. Now page number 1 is written. You, as it is holiday for you, you just go on writing. It hardly takes 5 seconds. Go on mentioning the page number till page 50. Okay, so there is no need of entering the page number in between the classes. So it's better like fill it up with 50. Okay, now the first page of every chapter should be having these contents, that is chapter number, chapter name, and what are the important topics you are dealing with in the chapter. This is your first page of every chapter. Okay, so and don't start calculation or anything here, that is it. Only the contents will be written in the first page, and first page of every chapter should be maintained neatly. Now what are you dealing with in rational numbers? That means introduction. Of course I will tell you what have you learned last year and what are you going to learn this year. Okay, and what is a rational number, what are the types of rational numbers, etc. Then addition of rational numbers, that means how to add two rational numbers and properties dealt with in the operation of addition. Then subtraction of rational numbers, that is the second operation you are going to do after addition is subtraction, and properties of subtraction of rational numbers. Now the third operation is multiplication of rational numbers and properties of multiplication of rational numbers. So all the understood addition, subtraction, multiplication and the properties involved in this. Then division of rational number and properties of division of rational number. So all the four operations and its properties are dealt with in this rational number chapter. And next is how will you represent, that is representation of rational number on a number line. That means after drawing the number line, how will you mark the given rational number, what is the position of the rational number on the number line. Next is the last one is rational numbers between any two rational. If two rational numbers are given, then how will you find 3 or 4 rational numbers between these two rational? That means question will be write 5 rational numbers between any two given, or 3 rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. So how you are going to do with that everything is dealt with. So and of course the word problems that I'm not mentioning here. So the first page of your every chapter will be done like this with double lines with the scale and pencil. Chapter number, chapter name, and the contents, important contents that you are dealing with in this and index. Of course don't forget to put the chapter number and chapter name and leave 10 lines. Okay, so I hope you might have understood and you will be using the same method throughout the year. Okay, thank you.